back to my channel, guys. I'm just getting up, guys. The sun is so hot this morning, but I'm wondering what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So I'm thinking to myself, it's been a while I haven't had any salt mackerel with boiled banana, so that's what crossed my mind this morning. So I think I'm going to look after some salt mackerel rundown with some boiled banana. Guys, I hope you like the previous video that I share on my YouTube channel. Also, a big shout out to my sister from another mother, that's Drea Nation. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed over to Drea Nation YouTube channel, you can check her out. Awesome person. She's warm, she's well, phenomenal in everything. The love and support that she's pouring out to my YouTube channel is like so unbelievable to know that you don't even know someone, but the person can give you that love and support and encouragement. So guys, I want you to just check out our YouTube channel and give her some love and some support also too. So my pickled mackerel for breakfast. This is my pickled mackerel. So it is salt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the plastic. So I'm going to wash off some of the salt of the mackerel, and then I'm going to also be scalding it for maybe 5 minutes. So salt mackerel with banana for breakfast in the morning. A lot of Jamaican can relate to waking up in the morning, having this awesome, tastes good, salt mackerel and boiled banana for breakfast. I'm scalding off my salt mackerel. Make sure it's scald off good. Get out some of the salt. So this is the mackerel that I'm going to be using for my breakfast in the morning. Salt mackerel rundown with boiled banana. So please stay tuned, guys. So I have to go and get myself a bottle of water. The time is so hot. Is my green banana. So how I peel my green banana? When I'm peeling it, I add some cooking oil in the water to peel the green banana in, because I don't want the green banana to stain up my hand. So that's the way how I peel my green banana. A lot of people do things different. So, and my salt mackerel is here still scalding off. So I'm going to peel my green banana and come right back. My green banana done peel and my pot is boiling now. So the next thing that I do, I don't know if everyone does it like this. When I'm going to add the banana in the pot, guys, I also add just a little bit of cooking oil, because the cooking oil is going to prevent the bananas from changing colors as well. So this is my way of cooking my green banana. And this is the salt mackerel. I'm going to wash it off now and break it up a little and get out some more of the salt. stuff. So I'm just leaving it into some fresh water. Checking on the banana also, because these bananas don't want them to overcook. Giving them about 2 more minutes. So I have onion, 2 bell pepper, 2 tomato, 1 stalks of scallion, 1 piece of thyme. That is the season that I'm going to be using for my mackerel rundown, guys. So I am going to cut them up and then show you when I'm finished cutting them up. So I'm back again, guys. This is my season, which is bell pepper, tomato, onion, scallion, carrot, and also just a little piece of thyme. This is all the season that we need to do the mackerel, and also my coconut milk powder. Because if you're making mackerel rundown and you're not using any milk powder, well, it's not mackerel rundown. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I almost forgot the garlic. I'm burning the garlic a little bit. Then I'm going to add my scallion. Whoa, smelling so good. I'm going to add the rest of my scallion. So I'm sauteing my scallion, my garlic, and my onion. Then I'm going to add my mackerel. Guys, how are you guys doing today? Hope all of my viewers and subscribers are doing good and in good health. And next step, my coconut milk. Coconut milk, give it a little stir. And 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I almost forgot the pepper. So I think I'm going to add the rest of my season now. My carrots, bell pepper, tomato, and give it a little stir. So guys, I just turn on the stove just a little bit. Probably give it a little more. I'm going to add just a little bit of my Maggi all-purpose season. Just a little bit, not too much. So I'm waiting on it to dry down a little bit now. Guys, the salt mackerel is smelling real good. Oh my god. It's rich and creamy. So, one last thing to do now is to fry my plantain, and that's my breakfast for the morning, which is my fried plantain, my wild banana, and my macaroni. Guys, what are you guys having for breakfast this morning? I want to say big thanks one more time to my viewers and subscribers who keep on sharing my YouTube channel. Words can't explain the amount of joy just to see the numbers keep going up. So we don't know how far the number will go, but I guess sky's the limit, so we just have to keep on putting in the work. Thank you each and everyone once more. This is my breakfast coming along. Salt mackerel, boiled banana, and my fried plantain. I'm going to put my fried plantain on my paper towel, guys. Try to take off a little bit of the grease. One piece done. One piece for me, and the rest for the viewers and subscribers. Guys, I don't want some of my fried plantain and my salt mackerel and boiled banana rundown. Just leave it in the comment section. I will be more than happy to share. So this is my breakfast, my fried plantain, avocado, boiled banana, and my salt mackerel, which is my mackerel rundown. So if this is the first time you come across my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, please like, share, and comment and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you.